Welcome to our channel. If you want to connect your Ring doorbell to Alexa, follow these step-by-step instructions to enable voice control and receive doorbell notifications through your Echo devices. Step 1. Make sure your Ring doorbell is already set up and working properly through the Ring app on your smartphone. Ensure it's connected to your Wi-Fi network. Step 2. Download and open the Amazon Alexa app on your smartphone if you don't already have it installed. Sign in with the same Amazon account linked to your Echo device. Step 3. In the Alexa app, tap the More icon in the bottom right corner, then select Skills and Games from the menu options. Step 4. Search for Ring in the Skills search bar. When you find the official Ring skill, tap on it and then tap Enable to Use to add the skill to your Alexa account. Step 5. Sign in to your Ring account when prompted. Use the same email and password you use for the Ring app to authorize the connection between Ring and Alexa. Step 6. After linking the accounts, tap Discover Devices in the Alexa app or say, Alexa, discover devices to any Echo device. Alexa will search for your Ring doorbell. Step 7. Once discovered, you can assign your Ring doorbell to a specific room or group in the Alexa app for better organization and control. Step 8. Test the connection by saying, Alexa, show me the front door if you have an Echo Show, or ask Alexa, did I miss any notifications? To check doorbell events. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.